Okay, so let's quickly see how to do an oil change on this Mazda 2. Inside the engine bay, you've got the oil cap and the oil dipstick. Then go ahead and lift the front of the car, at least from one side. And you can see down here, there is a solid point where you can place your jack. Then under the car, you're gonna find the oil pan. So let's drain the oil. Now the threads are open, so I can just pull the bolt. I just had to catch that gasket, otherwise I won't get oil on my fingers. Okay, now just snug the oil drain bolt in there. Okay, nice. Now it's time to open the oil filter. And obviously expect some oil to come out. So some of you criticize other videos that I don't lubricate the area where the filter will sit around this housing. But you can see, especially if the filter is installed from down up, the oil is already there, the old one is already there, and it will lubricate the surface. So you don't need to lubricate this area around the new oil filter, but you have to fill it up with oil, which I always do. So in that way, when you start first time the engine, the oil pump will have something to suck. Okay, so now let's put the new filter on. Let's see, it has to go easy by hand. And also snug it a little bit more. Now the filter is secured. Okay, so now let's add the new oil. You're gonna need 4 liters of 5W30. Let's put the cap back and check the dipstick. So we want our oil to be between those two holes. Let's see, now the car is flat and here it is, perfect level. Okay guys, so that's how we change the oil on this car. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and check out the other videos I made about this Mazda 2. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe for more videos. I've got a lot more in-depth videos than an oil change. So until next time, take care and I will see you in the next video.